massive move towards the upside yesterday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. This is I think we're just gonna get ready to break down our chart now. Do that. We're gonna clear out our chart. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. Asian session specific. Before we do anything, we're gonna check Forex Factory just to see if we have anything coming out. Any bank holidays? We have USD closed during this time, so nothing that will really impact USD against gold at this time. So yeah, but we do have CPI coming out later tonight during NY session, so we'll see how that plays out during NY session. But at this point, it's gonna have price action steering us. So looking at the weekly time frame now, looking at the daily, dropping down to the daily time frame. Sorry, we're gonna start our analysis on the daily time frame. You can see that this previous daily candle closed extremely bullish above this resistance at 1720, 1719, 1720 area. So I think for today's candle we may potentially come on to retest 1719 for pushing bullish again. But yeah, or maybe we can have some sales during Asian session, and then heading into pre-London we can look for buys at that point. But I'm really anticipating this daily candle to flip bullish at this point. Jumping to 4 time frame now, we can see that this previous 4-hour candle closed slightly bullish, creating some sort of support level at 1724, 600, 500 area. We now have the previous 4-hour candle really breaking below this the current 4-hour candle, which started around 15 minutes ago, really breaking below this previous 4-hour candle. You know, if you're gonna drive bearish, could potentially come down to this next support level at around 1720 area, maybe a little bit above 1720. So see how that plays out. Just gonna get rid of the zones. But yeah, I'm really anticipating some sort of support to form for us to potentially retest the highs. Yeah, overall I think price is still gonna come up to 1713, 500 and then push bullish. That's what I think. But let's just drop down to the 1-hour time frame, see if we have any potential entries. Now looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can clearly see that we have missed a move right over here. Previous 1-hour candle did some sort of a liquidity grab towards the top, closing bearish, creating resistance at 1725, 600 right here. And now we have this current 1-hour candle closing in the next 40 minutes. If you do close below this support level on the 1-hour time frame at 1724, 500 area, we could potentially anticipate the next 1-hour candle to pop down. We have clean traffic coming all the way down to this resistance area, this support level area at 1712. But if we are to come down to this support area, we have to break below this resistance area over here, which is a pretty strong resistance level at 1720. So we just have to wait and see. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, I think at the 30-minute time frame we could adjust our zones a little bit to this 30-minute support level at 1723, 850. So this 30-minute candle close in the next 30 minutes. If we close bearish below the support area over here, then we could potentially look for sells to potentially retest this resistance area and then potentially come down to this support level at 1712, 1713 area. So we'll see how it plays out. We'll see how this 30-minute candle closes in the next 12 minutes. So. Hey, hello Gamer Zone. Weeks 101 PNG for a great Asian session. Yeah, cheers, brother. Cheers. We're gonna have a great Asian session today. Great Asian session, guys. Have a very nice Asian session, guys. Yeah, bro, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you, brother. We're a little bit late on the charts, but you know what? It's better late than never, you know. So I think we're gonna really focus on the 30-minute time frame. Uh, really want this candle to push up a little bit. Then we're gonna see if we can execute our sales over here. It's gonna be a very good day, guys. Yeah, Wix on one. How are you, bro? What's good? What's good? I think we have a lot of volume coming in right now. Previous 30-minute candle was 20 pips big. This current 30-minute candle is almost 300 pips. We have this candle closing in the next 8 minutes, so we're just gonna get a terminal ready. Huh? If you do take a trade now, if this candle is red over here when we're taking a trade at this point, stop loss is gonna be so. Yeah. I'm gonna look at the lower time frames. It's gonna be a pretty interesting session, guys. Very, very interesting session. I think I'm only gonna be looking for buys for this session. This is a pretty massive 30-minute candle. If I have to take a trade, next candle, my stops are gonna be down there big, which is not ideal for me at this point. I need this 30-minute candle to retrace a little bit, at least. Just a little bit for us to potentially drive bearish. But we really don't want to be hesitating on any trade at this during this session. We really don't. Yesterday was an amazing session, guys. Still can't get over yesterday's trades. Amazing session. I think we could get an entry. I think we could get an entry on the next candle open. Just have to wait and see. I think we could continue driving bearish. Good, we could definitely do that. We have this 30-minute candle closing below resistance. Definitely gonna enter a trade over here. It's clearing traffic to the left. So gonna be a very nice trade, guys. Hey, hello, Popo. What's up? Whatever you're thinking, you're definitely right. You know, you've been on the streams long enough. I can tell you're a pro already. Jokes. I mean, jokes. Guys, we have 1 minute until this channel closes, so we'll see. We'll see. Probably getting on the candle flip. Our stop loss is gonna be. This is gonna be the only trade for Asian session. No, no other trades, guys. You only take one trade per session. Sorry, Bobo. 17. Yeah. But look at how the daily candle closed, bro. I mean, it's just definitely gonna push up a little bit. Overall on the daily time frame. So if you're gonna take sales, no massive targets on sales. Just get what we can get for each session and just call it a session. I won't be aiming for huge targets anyway. There we go. Pushing up. Maybe on the candle flip. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna get in on the candle flip. Flip bearish, I'm gonna get in. Not yet, not in yet, guys, not in yet. There we go. I'm in right now, guys. Where's our entry? Right here. Stop loss is gonna be just on the open of the previous candle, and our stop loss. Sorry, our stop loss on the open of the previous candle, and our target will be this resistance here. And actually, we're gonna target the low. I mean, I don't think I really don't think we'll come down to this level, but if you do, it would be great. If you don't, it's fine. Really gonna be looking to manage risk. Hey, good morning, Lucky. Good morning, guys. So entry is at 17.20 to 21. Good adjustment here on our entry. Guys, like I said, this is gonna be our only trade for Asian session. We're not taking any more trades, so if you get a trade over here, don't try to rush things because you could definitely push bullish at this point. So zero. I think we should be okay. Because we're only taking like cells, taking cells against what I potentially see, where I potentially see the daily time frame going. My TP, yeah, I know my TP is massive, but you know, I'm gonna be securing positions along the way. I'm just gonna have a small partial running to this TP. If it hits break even, it's break even. I really don't mind. You know, this could just be a liquidity grab to push bullish, you know. But really anticipating this forward cannot stay bearish. So I think we have a little bit more juice for us to potentially drive. Why did I put 17, 13? Just to have a better risk to reward ratio, you know. It's always good to have a good risk to reward ratio. See, it's good risk to reward. So this is a fairly simple trade, so if we get taken out, that's fine. And the probability is not there for us to drive bearish. So 70-24 stop loss is right. We are gonna be securing positions at what's that level? 1721.01. Actually. Yeah. This is where we're gonna make our trade risk free, right over there. We just need to break below the previous 30-minute candle low to drive bearish. Go a little bit fell. Do have clean traffic to the left, so I mean, fairly simple trade, guys. It's a fairly simple trade. It's just that our stop loss is a little bit big. That's why we're not really putting it on the top of the candle high. Previous candle high, I mean. It's running at like 7 pips right now. So with how this candle is running, if you break previous 30-minute oh, there we go, guys. We're reaching 10 pips right now. Just a little bit, just a few more pips until we start securing positions. If you do come back to a break-even spot at this point, then I'm gonna be taking half my risk out this trade. I think we'll be. Oh, guys, there we go. Just hit 12 pips. Our trade is now risk-free, guys. Pushing very nicely, guys. Congratulations on another win, another winning session. Like I said, I don't have any big massive targets on sales, so I'm gonna be securing positions along the way as we go. And by all means, if price hits our TP, awesome. Anything, then we're gonna be securing positions along the way, because I definitely think we could definitely start pushing bullish towards the end of the day. Really anticipating price to close bullish, I mean. So after taking this sell over here, I'm only gonna be looking for buys now. To be honest, I'm not gonna be taking any more sells. Popo, does that answer your question? The reason why I have my TP at 1713 is for better risk to reward ratio. If I'm gonna secure positions along the way as we get there. cheers. Thank you, Popo. Thank you. I love it too. Lucky man said I have a small query. To secure profits, how much ratio do we need to close and open order? Man, it depends. It depends on you, bro. Like, I am a very impatient. I'm a very impatient person, and I pretty much established that on earlier in my trading career. So, I like to secure positions early and make things risk free. So I don't have like anxiety or stress or whatnot. But if you're a patient person, you could definitely let this trade run. I mean, you could hold it for as long as you want. We have patient people like Ronald. Sometimes he holds trades. He has the tendency to hold trades for a long period of time without moving stop loss. So I pretty much, it's like me, I secure positions early. So it's pretty much making myself risk free, securing profits. I mean, I'm not closing out the entire trade. I'm just securing profits. So when it hits the overall target, it's pretty much a positive risk to reward trade. But it depends entirely on you, bro. I hope that answers your question. Popo, do you use TradingView paid version for backtesting? No, I haven't really looked into that. The paid version? No, I use SoftwareFX. SoftwareFX for to backtest. Ronald said, bro. No worries, bro. Check him Discord law. Check Discord for Ronald's trade ideas. You're gonna get some signals this soon, bro. Yeah, but guys, we could get taken out of break even. Like I said, I'm not gonna be looking for any more sells after this trade. I'm only gonna be looking for buys just because of how the previous daily candle closed. So closed bullish above resistance. So I'm definitely gonna be looking for price to push bullish. We're gonna get taken out of break even. So If you do, that's fine. We could potentially come up to 1731. I mean, this is where I know a lot of people are getting caught in here. Guys, just got taken out of break even, but secured 12 plus pips on the stream. I forgot to update that. Shit, man, you should have posted it on the. Yeah, bro, send it on IG. I'll put it on the stream. But there's a Discord session for those people trading NY session. It's pretty much free, so lad, whenever you're on for NY session, you see anything, man, just there's a lot of people on the Discord that trades NY session, so it's pretty much empty right now. So yeah, bro, send it over on IG. Logged out of my IG right. Shit, bro. Oh, you're still in this trade, huh? Run on. Shit. What's this trade on? GBP USD? Oh, Euro USD. Ah, very nice, bro. Very nice. This trade, bro. Amazing. Nice trade, bro. I've been reading up on market profile. It's what scalpers use to refine entries, but using it on a 1-hour time frame, higher time frame. Yeah, bro, like higher time frame, better confirmations. So I barely look at the 50-minute and the 5-minute time frames. Too much noise, man. Too much noise, especially on gold. Like, if I anticipate a 1-hour candle heading in one direction, the 50-minute and the 5-minute can do some stupid shit. So I just focus on the 30-minute time frame, the 1-hour time frame, so one candle at a time. So yeah, well, the 1-hour time frame is a solid entry confirmation time frame, I should say. Guys, I need 3 more subscribers. 3 more subscribers until I hit 200 subscribers. So come on, guys. Somebody create a fake account, 3 fake accounts. Subscribe. Jokes. Um, let's see when I get taken out of break even. I'm not gonna force any other trade. Another win on the stream for you. But yeah, thanks, bro. 3rd win of the week. Hopefully, we can maintain this winning streak. 3 winning trades now, all live. No trades taken off the streams, just everything live on the stream. My bad. Man, somehow I have like my Monday and Tuesdays are like best. Then heading into like Wednesday, okay, and Thursday, yeah, Thursday, Friday is like I don't know what happens during that time, but that's when I really have to really practice my character building skills. We have the 30-minute candle flipping bullish, so at this point I'm not looking for any more sells. No. Free money here, guys. Free money on Monday and Tuesday.
Looking for the best cinematic stock footage? Hands up, everyone! Go to artgrid.io. Quiet on the set! And find Hollywood-level footage.
Oh, shit. Yeah, see what I mean, guys? See what I mean? Ronald said goes back to trading to the general expect, right? What if you categorically what you expected for the next 5 Mondays and and if they show you point blank there your best days, why don't you up your size by 0.5%? Yes, it only works in something I also measure. Right now, cause I'm all backed by yeah, bruh. Yeah, definitely. I need to find time to sit down, go through my live streams, and probably check out the Monday sessions. Because Mondays are like, when you're fresh off the weekend. I think it's all to do with your mindset. Because Mondays are like when I'm fresh off the weekend, like reset. I don't look at the charts, nothing trading related during the weekend. So when I come to the charts, like clear head and all that. When you get towards the end of the week now, it's like, yes, you get a little bit messed up in the head. So yes, we have this 30-minute candle and the 1 hour candle closing in the next 1 hour. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, The 1 hour candle is still closing below the support. I mean, definitely going to be closing below the support level over here. So if it closes like that, then the next 1 hour candle could pop bearish like this, right? Or maybe drive bearish a little bit. But this 30-minute candle is really testing this support level area over here, 1723, 800 area. If we do close above this support level, then we could anticipate the next 30-minute candle pop up in this range. And this could be a fake out. So I don't want to be taking a trade on the 1 hour time frame. Because now this is just a big rejection week now. So we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes in the next 2 minutes. We'll see. Guys, I think I'm gonna get in on buys if you break above the previous 30-minute candle high. This is a pretty nice rejection rate to the bottom, so I'm really gonna be taking this trade off the daily time frame. Really anticipating this daily candle to flip later on. So, like I said, after that sell trade, I was really gonna be anticipating buys popping. So we're definitely gonna close bullish here on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. That is definitely what I want to do. And this will be my second and last trade for the day. There we go, guys. Open bearish. Start flipping bullish again. I'm getting in. Guys, I'm in this trade, guys. I am in this trade on the 30-minute time frame. Entry right here. Our stop loss not gonna be very big. It's gonna be at around 20 pips as usual. Somewhere here, and I'm really gonna be targeting the highs at this point. Uh, 1723.85 is our entry right here. This is gonna be a very nice trade. Which we might get stopped out of. So pretty much risking our profits made during each session. I mean, not during each session, the first trade. So see how this plays out. Our stop loss is 1721.900. I know 800. So 21. Oh, we could even drive down. I mean, we could even drive bearish. Shit. Got to update this in the chat. Oh shit. Now this trade now is really based off our daily bias, so I think we could start pushing now. I mean, I'm not gonna be securing profits at 10 pips. I'm gonna be managing risk as we go, because I really think this. I really think we could start pushing at this point. 5. Yeah. I think this is gonna be this is gonna be a very nice trade. I think. Top loss is at 80. Sorry. So there you go. Really hoping this 30-minute candle closes bullish, and it closes in the next 22 minutes. So either either 30-minute candle or the 101 candle, you know, in a bit of a drawdown at this point, but you know, it is what it is. It's all part of the game. It's all part of the game, guys. No risk, no reward. So if you take the loss, if you take losses, then that's the risk part of the game. If you take wins, that's the reward part of the game. You're always ready to take losses. I'm always anticipating losses. I'm always looking forward to taking losses, because that's the opportunity to learn from, you know. Ideally, I'd like this candle to stay above this resistance. This previous support level is 1723, 800 area. But we are in a bit of a drawdown at this point. The 10 pips drawdown. We get stopped out, but that's fine. I think looking at hindsight, I should have waited for a candle to close above 1723, 800. looking at hindsight. Otherwise, I think we're following structure on the 1 hour time frame, as I said earlier. Like, even though these 30-minute cannot close bullish, this 1 hour cannot still close below support, so it still had potential to drive bearish. Do have clean traffic to the left coming down all the way, so yeah. I mean, this is not the best of trades. This trade is pretty risky, so I think what I want to do is I want to close right here at 15 pips, 16 pips, guys, 15 pips. So yeah, pretty much a first loss for the week, which is still okay. 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. Update. Guys, get this. Yeah. So guys, pretty much my first loss of the week, first losing session of the week. So shit. Yeah, I think structure held on the 1 hour time frame. Ha! Amazing session, guys. Amazing session. So, see what what I did there was I cut my losses. Like even though it was like, you know, I could have let my stop loss get hit, whatnot. I just decided to cut my losses. So, yeah. It's a great session, guys. 1 win, 1 loss. Pretty much done for the day. So this is my 4th trade of the week. So 3 out of 4 losses was 3 out of 4 wins was 3 out of 4 trades was a win, 1 loss for the week. So very nice session, guys. So that gives me like a 75% win rate for the week. Yeah. So I'm not gonna be forcing any more trades. At this point we could have volume dying down a little bit. We could even start pushing bullish at this point, but my maximum trades for a session is 2 trades, so I don't go more than 2 trades per session. I only like taking 2 trades per session. Win, loss, break even, whatnot. But for this trade, I could have closed a little bit earlier, but you know, it's what it is. Oh shit! Sorry guys, I spelled peace wrong. It's a very nice session, guys. Show me another trader who boasts about the losses. No one. I mean, I know a few out there, but honestly, I really love this loss. Like it. So pretty much risked our entire profits made on the first trade, and it's the little dent in our trading capital, but you know, it is what it is. We'll come back pre-line session, look for buys during the session. So pretty much done for the session. We could have price popping down a little. Let's see the forward time frame right now. Let's see what's happening on the time frame. So right here, could have price coming down to this previous resistance area at 1720. We could potentially test 1720 again, form some sort of reaction over here, and then start pushing off from here. Potentially having a liquidity wick on one of these candles. Never know. But you know, Andy Black, hello, bruh. Good night. Where you from? It's like midday now during at where I am. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys during pre-learning session. Done now. So cheers, guys.